Do you want to know how you can switch from Google Assistant to Gemini AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can switch from Google Assistant to Google Gemini on your phone. First of all, what you need to do is install Gemini. Go and search for Google Gemini on your Android device on the Play Store. Open Gemini app. And as soon as you open it, you can see it asks you to switch to Gemini from Google Assistant. You can see some of the differences. If you choose to stick with Assistant, it only accesses you to Assistant routines, translation of conversion. But if you switch to Gemini AI, you can create custom images, write emails, post and more, make learning easy, set up alarms, timers, reminders and more. So go ahead and click switch. Scroll a bit down if you want to read this and go ahead and click I agree. In a while, you can see that your Gemini has been switched. So, this was a video on how you can switch from Google Assistant to Google Gemini. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.